Hey friends, what's up? Welcome to today's video. If you are new, my name is Sheena, and today I'm going to be testing out some new makeup products and also some older products, but new to me, and then some products that I just replenished because I was completely out of, and I got a ton of makeup for Christmas. So anyways, if you guys want to see how I got this look, then please continue watching. Alright you guys, so we're going to get right into the video. As you can see, looking kind of crazy. I already have my eyeshadow base on my lid, and when it starts to crease and you're not setting your base, like I said in a previous video, just tap it back out, and that will take the creasing out until you get your shadows on. So I had got a lot of makeup for Christmas, and I know this isn't one of the newer ones, but I got the Profusions Siennas palette, and it's just really pretty. I'm excited to use it. I love the Profusions palettes. I think they are absolutely stunning. Now, the only unfortunate thing is somebody cracked the case. They must have dropped it. So I have to be very careful when using it, but there's nothing wrong with the shadows. Everything is perfectly fine with that. So I'm going in with my Morphe M518, and I think I'm going to start out with Serendipity, which is this like mustardy yellow shade. You guys know I love a nice mustard shade. I'm just feeling very warm tone today. I have to get ready for work, so I'm like, you know what? Let me just go ahead and film this, because I have to get ready anyway, so it just made sense. I figured, why not? Let's get a video in. And I'm going to start tapping that on the outer portion, and then I'll start blending that in once I get it where I want it. So the reason I've kind of gone back to not setting my lid down with powder is because I've been wanting very, very pigmented, bright looks. Like, I miss my old bright makeup all the time. Sorry if you guys hear any noise. My guinea pig is at her water bottle currently. Swear she is the thirstiest guinea pig. So anyways, just blending that into my crease and building that up. Alright, now that I have that on, I want to go into the shade Dapper right here. It's like a brown kind of orangey shade, and I'm going in with a Morphe brush that's not labeled, but I like it for the point. I'm going to take this on the inner and outer corners of my lid, and I'm going to lightly blend that into the crease. With the same brush, I'm going to go into Groovy, which is a dark chocolate brown shade. I'm just going to tap that in the inner and outer corners just to add a little something extra. As you can see, it's kind of messy and not perfect, but that's because we are going to be blending it. And in the center, I'm going to be adding the Summer Solstice Nicka K Radiant Liquid Eyeshadow. You guys have seen these in previous videos. I'm just obsessed. So I'm taking it in the center here. And then I'm going to just use a flat eyeshadow brush and just pat it in there. And then of course we're going to go back in and blend everything. So I'm going to go back into Groovy and just kind of tap that in there. I love these liquid shadows. They just blend in so nicely. Okay, so I'm going to clean this up. I'm going to pop on some just wispy lashes and we'll be right back. Alright, so I just threw on some wispy lashes and I put on kind of like a half wing because we're going to go in with this Urban Decay Heavy Metals glitter, and this is in Starfire. I'm going to add that along the wing. So I've been using this Olay Mist, and this is the Ultimate Hydration Essence. This is the energizing one with vitamin C. I've been using this for the past couple of days and I really like it. So I'm going to prep my face with that. And it smells so good. And then I'm going to use this Ultra Firming Retinol Gold Face Serum, and this is from the Beauty Foundry. I'm going to put some of this on. I've been using this for the past couple of days as well, but I thought I would include some skincare into this video. And for my under eyes, I'm going to use this Alchemy Forever Tightening Eye Contour Gel. I have been using this for months and months, so I love it. It's pretty pricey, but it's worth it. And then to lock that all in, the face cream that I've been loving is the Botanics Day Cream. It has a sunscreen of SPF 15 in it, and it's the Shine Away with Willow Bark. So I'm going to be testing out another new foundation today. This is the Ardell Photo Face Matte Foundation. It's a soft focus, flawless finish. And I got it in the shade Dark 11.0. So hopefully this matches. I'm just going to throw on my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Matte Primer. To apply this, I'm going to be using my Sephora Pro Flawless Airbrush foundation brush. It's number 56. It's an interesting kind of opening there. Put some of this on the back of my hand. It's kind of liquidy. I don't think it's really my shade, but the shade up was really super dark, so this is really pink. This is really pink. This is really pink. It is going on really nicely and smooth, and it's kind of like melting into the skin. So now it doesn't look so bad. That's the one thing though with these new Ardell foundations. The shade range sucks. So I hope that they come out with, you know, more shades, because there's not very many. I'm actually going to go in with my Maybelline Better Skin Concealer in the shade Deep. And hopefully once we get like the contour and everything on, I can bring my skin back to life. Because on you guys' end, I'm looking kind of pasty. washed out, ghost-like. And this is not new, but it is another one because I ran out. This is my Too Faced Peach Perfect setting powder. And I'm going to go ahead and we put the concealer. I'm going in with my next 3 steps to sculpt. And I'm going to contour. Just gonna set my face real quick with some regular face powder. Still looking ghostly in the camera. Still looking real ghostly in the camera. I don't know. Whatever. Moving on. I'm going to use this Black Radiance Toasted Almond Baked Blush. And then I'm going to go back into this next 3 steps to sculpt. And I'm going to use this highlight shade that's in here. It's really pretty, kind of goldy peach. Okay, next coming through with the highlight. And I'm just going to use my Urban Decay Glide On Liner in Perversion and put that in the waterline. I'm going to go into that chocolatey brown shade Groovy in the Profusions Sienna palette. I'm going to smoke out that lower lash line. And then we're going to take a little bit of that Urban Decay glitter and just swipe that on the lower lash line here, because I'm just feeling glittery today. And I don't really know what I want to do for lips because I have a ton of these. I don't know what I just dropped. I have a ton of these like Morphe lip toppers that I got for Christmas. I think I might use Fortune Teller on top of Sienna Supreme. This is a L'Oreal matte regular lipstick. Actually, this is their Color Rich mattes, and they're like really creamy. And then I'm gonna pop this right on top, and then I'm gonna use my Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. Alright you guys, so this is the completed look. I really like how this makeup look turned out, and my hair. So if you guys want to see a tutorial on how I get my hair like this, I will be happy to do that for you guys. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on your bell notification so you don't miss out on any videos from me. And also, you guys, don't forget to put a smile on your face because it is truly the best makeup that you can wear. Bye, guys.
Oh, you almost my color.
I know, but when you're looking at me, do I look like that?
No, you look normal. But in the camera, you're almost my color. Look at that. Look at that closeness and complexion.
Hey friends, what's up? Welcome to today's video. If you are new, my name is Sheena, and today I am using some new products, testing out some new makeup. Some makeup is older. Some of it is just replenished. Really? I can see you. And it's really creepy.
You said you could see me?
Yeah. I'm just gonna redo this.
You can put that in a blooper. Okay, go.
As I drop some more stuff. And then I'm gonna go into that brown shade and what is this?
Profusion.